Are you experiencing a spiritual awakening and don't know how to make sense of all that you're experiencing, yet how to embrace it so you can actually uncover your life purpose and step into doing what you're meant to do? If there's one thing that is certain about a spiritual awakening is that it can be one wild roller coaster ride that can leave you feeling quite lost and overwhelmed and even unsure about how to make sense of all that you're experiencing. You may even feel as if you simply don't belong or fit in anymore, that no one really understands or gets you, where you may even feel an inner stirring that something is happening, but you have no idea what's going on. And at times, you may even experience such intense feelings that make you want to just isolate yourself, not go anywhere because it can feel so overwhelming. But most of all, you're looking for answers, clarity, even direction, but all that you're left with are even more questions and no idea how to deal with all that you're experiencing or how to even move forward. Well, if that's you, then you have been guided to watch this video for a reason. My name is Kay Sanders. I'm a transformational success coach, Akashic Record Guide, and Divine Messenger. And I get to help amazing people who are on their spiritual awakening journey to awaken gracefully, to embrace their journey, and also uncover their true purpose and mission in this lifetime. But most of all, I get to help them to fully step into their power as they create more success, more abundance, and more freedom, all while making a bigger impact in the world. Now, what if I were to tell you that it is possible to embrace your spiritual awakening journey, where you get to experience amazing things, discover even more of your divine gifts, and even start using your gifts to help others? And what if I could help you awaken more gracefully, where you too get to embrace your journey, enjoy the deep transformational growth this awakening journey brings, and at the same time also create all the abundance, the success and freedom that you have yet allowed yourself to imagine? Yes, this may seem too good to be true, especially if up until this point your awakening journey was anything but a wild roller coaster ride. And I get it. I too had a very challenging journey where I felt lost, overwhelmed, and at times I even questioned my sanity because what I was experiencing was so intense at times and I didn't understand what was going on. And it was not until I found the right mentors that I could learn from that things started to get better, where I learned that what I was experiencing was nothing to be afraid of or even resisted, and that I can embrace this path without being overwhelmed by it. It all helped me embrace my awakening, discover my gifts, and also find my true path in life. So I know that it is truly possible to experience this journey without all the intenseness, the frustration, and the overwhelm. Which is why I was guided to help awakening souls just like you here on YouTube through my channel. And if you're watching this video, then there is a reason for it. I truly believe that you have been guided to see this video because maybe you too are looking for guidance and support, so you too can step into your power and embrace this very, very important path that you're on now. On my channel, I share channeled messages from the beings of light language healings and activation, even energy forecasts, as well as other content to really help you awaken to your power within so you can create more success, abundance, and freedom in your life, all while living your life on purpose and do what you're here to do, what you're meant to do. Now, I would like to invite you to click that link below and check out my channel. And if what I share on my channel feels in alignment with you, then I hope you will subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified whenever I release new content. I look forward to being part of your spiritual awakening journey moving forward. Namaste.